My name's George and this is my tractor. Now, what you see here is the standard boring oil scrape with a slight modification. You can see I've got the thing tilted on an angle and I made a little skid out of some pipe, bent various ways. Attached one of those upper bars from the tractor to keep the skid from moving around, turning sideways. Adjustable height. Easily removed. Hydraulics leak a little bit on the old thing. It runs on 30 weight oil. Anyway, purpose of this is to clean out the ditches alongside the driveway and help put a crown back in the driveway, fill potholes. I'm going to attempt to do some video now of it going down the driveway so you can see it in action. That's probably why you're watching this video. Okay, I'll put the tractor in dead slow so I can talk while it drives along and turn around and hopefully not drop the phone. You can see the thing scraping along on the edge of the road. Skid keeping it up off the edge. I've made one trip up this ditch already, but the idea is you just drive. You don't have to stop and raise and lower any of that stuff. You just drive in and out of the ditches. Okay, let me put it on high speed so you don't bore yourself to death watching me. Okay, here we go. May not be able to hear me. Trying to do this. Here's the tractor looking backwards. The poor old thing's steering's got a lot of extra turns in it. Okay, I think you got the general idea. So I'm going to show you a ditch a little bit later. Alright, you can see where earlier I drove through the ditch, or around, coming along, driving through, and then I'm going to back up and pull through that just to clean it out a little bit better. Okay, I've backed into the ditch now, and of course you just leave the thing sitting down, back in. Alright, let's do a little house cleaning here. See where I've been through the drive-through there. Just kind of drove right on around, didn't even slow down. We'll follow it on up and around. And there you go, one ditch cleaned out. Alright, I'm going to turn around and finish the driveway. Alright, you can see where earlier I drove through the ditch, or around, coming along, driving through, and then I'm going to back up and pull through that just to clean it out a little bit better. I've lowered it down a little bit, and now we're in fill potholes mode. So here we go. Trying to see the little holes there and stuff. It tends to level them out. Let's have a look back here and see if it'll do something interesting. The shoe keeps the thing from falling into the holes so much. So there you go. We'll roll along, fill up the pothole. You see the ditch there? And you can see where it's starting to fill it up and smooth it out.